You spent years in school memorizing facts, equations, and dates you'll never use. But not once did anyone teach you how to manage money. They never showed you how taxes really work. They never explained debt. They never taught you how to make your money grow. And now, you're working harder than ever, but still broke, still stressed, still chasing the next paycheck. That's not an accident. It's by design. You were trained to follow rules, not to question them. The education system was built during the industrial age to produce employees, not entrepreneurs. They taught you how to fit in a system, but never how to own one. You were told, go to school, get a degree, get a good job. But no one mentioned that the job you'd get might never pay enough to live free. You trade your time, your life, for money. Then you spend that money on things you don't need to impress people who don't care. That's the trap. That's what they never taught you. Here's the truth. Wealthy people don't think about money the same way everyone else does. The poor and middle class see money as something to spend. The rich see money as something to multiply. The poor ask, how much does it cost? The rich ask, how much will it make me? Most people work for money. The rich make money work for them. They use leverage. They use time. They use knowledge, not luck. And that's what separates financial freedom from financial slavery. Breaking free starts with awareness. You can't change a game you don't understand. The first step is learning the real rules of money. Rule 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. Stop chasing money, chase freedom. Money is the vehicle, not the destination. Rule 2. Assets, expenses. Every dollar you earn has two paths. It can make you weaker or stronger. Use it to buy freedom, not approval. Rule 3. Learn skills that pay you forever. Most people trade hours for money. The wealthy trade value for money. Learn to sell, communicate, invest, and create. Those are the skills that print freedom. Because here's the truth. If you don't learn to control your money, someone else will, forever. The new world doesn't reward hard work. It rewards smart moves. You can work 80 hours a week and still stay broke, because effort without direction means nothing. The internet changed everything. You can learn any skill, start any business, reach anyone, from a phone in your hand. That's what they never told you. You don't need permission anymore. You don't need a degree to make 6 figures. You don't need to wait 40 years to retire. You just need courage to start. Because the moment you start creating, not consuming, the game changes. You stop being a player in someone else's system and start building your own. They never taught you about money, because real power starts when you understand it. They want you working, paying, consuming. But the truth? Money is energy. It flows to those who create value, solve problems, and think differently. You don't have to be born rich. You just have to stop thinking poor. Start learning. Start building. Start owning your life. Music rises powerfully. Because when you master money, you don't just buy freedom. You buy time. You buy choice. You buy life. They'll never teach you about money, because if you knew the truth, you'd never need them. If this hit you, share it. Comment, I'm learning the rules. Subscribe for more mindset and money truths.